guys, it's me Robin Adhikari and welcome to my channel. Before starting today's video, I want to thank you so much for the love and support, guys. I need more love and support, so just go below and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, I'm today with the new subject. I think I have not done this in my previous videos, and this is for the first time I'm showing the preview of one of the most interesting gadget which is used now in daily life for your video making process. So I have ordered it online on Daraz Nepal before 3 days, and finally I have received the package. So I want to open it with you and show you some of the features of the thing, and hope you will find it interesting and you may also buy it for your daily purpose and have some good quality videos. So let's begin the opening process. So guys, this came to me just 1 hour ago, and I want to do it with you because it's my responsibility to make you know about the product and how this is, and hope you will like it, like the video, guys. Okay, here is our receipt, and this is my name and something this password, I don't know, this is not required. And this is the Daraz Nepal pack, you can see here this. Okay, I have to put this. Okay, and inside this there is this one wrapper. We will take out it, and for this I need scissors. Cut it carefully, guys, you may cut your hand, so use it carefully. Oh, nice bag. I like it. And this is our cover for the product, and hope it is good for me. And what is this? One data cable is there. I don't know this is what for what. And here is the manual. Here it shows how to use the product. This I can easy brother. And here I have got the holder, mobile holder or camera holder, and this is for what, let's see more. And this I have got for you to make the video better, of high quality. Oh shit. Guys, I have bought this a tripod for the camera from Daraz Nepal. This is of 1600 rupees and delivery charge 80, so you can get it on 1680 at your home. And this is like a screwdriver, but where is this? Where we can fix this? Let's see. Can't find the place actually, but I will do it and show you the final result. Okay guys, wait for the video. Next product. So guys, this is the gadget I bought today, and I am so happy with the product, and well, I have to make the good video with this product, and this is amazing. You can handle the camera however you like and see the result. I have made this. This is 4 feet 7 inch tall, and this is so amazing for the YouTubers, beginners. I am beginning in YouTube, so it is my responsibility to make good videos for you guys. So I have brought this. Hope you will enjoy the next videos from now. And not only this, I have again this maybe for some people the height is not sufficient of this tripod, and instead of this handler you can do another thing. You can take out this and place this on this product, and it is adjustable in any place, guys. See, you can use it as a selfie stick while you go out and take amazing photos of yours. And this costs 250, extra 250 plus 600 means 800 delivery charge extend. I mean and this is full fit. And how much height you want, you can have it. And not only that, guys, it can be adjustable in this product also. Wait for a second. Okay. And this is the